절치고 잘한다 좋다. I am here today in wonderful Gangneung on a lovely Sunday in October. Yes, it was already freaking cold in Seoul. I thought it's winter, so I'm wrapped up in so many clothes. But today is a wonderful autumn day. It's fantastic. It's sunny and the blue sky. Today I'm going to show you how it is to take a yacht, a sailing boat here in Gangneung for a nice ride along the coast. And luckily today the weather is so peaceful, there's not much wind, and I hope that I'm not going to get seasick with my friend who's joining me today. So I think this will be a fantastic, joyful ride, and I already took my MolMi-Yak, my anti-seasickness kind of juice or something like that. But obviously my backpack is filled with some snacks from Germany, and I hope that we can eat and drink something on that yacht. But come and follow me, we are now going and exploring the yacht. This way, to the end. 감사합니다.
들어오셔서
네.
신발을 벗으신 다음에 네, 이쪽 원하시는 곳에 앉아 계시면 돼요.
Okay, 알겠습니다. The center of the boat is down there. The Hemingway. Ooh, whatever we have to do, I'm not really sure, but we will see. Putting on the life vest, because what comes first? Safety first. Right. Safety first. So today I'm treating my friend, you might know him from a previous video. I'm treating my friend from South Africa to this yacht tour because it's his birthday. 축하합니다. 축하합니다.
Happy birthday to you.
This is so cute. The captain and the skipper singing the birthday song for my friend Nash. And we got these little cute ribbons here as well, which we were not aware of. Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse. Yeah. Wow, I think this is the most fantastic day to do this kind of sailing tour, and we don't have to do anything, we just wear our life vest.
A beautiful day upon the Hemingway. The captain and the skipper are awesome.
And are you feeling happy up there?
Oh yes, I am. Very bouncy.
Yeah. Ooh, so shaky, right?
It's fun. Everybody should try this.
Absolutely. Thank you. Have a good birthday trip. Gangneung, Busan, everywhere I saw people fishing. That was our tour.
Okay.
Yep.
Have a good time in Gangneung.
Thank you.
Thank you. 감사합니다. 재미있었어요. This was our fantastic 2-hour tour with the Hemingway here in Gangneung. We feel a little bit wobbly in our legs and, well, with a little upset stomach. But overall, it was so chill, so romantic, and so peaceful. This was our fantastic 2-hour yacht boat cruising tour here along the coast of Gangneung, the Amok beach up to which beach?
Gangmun.
Gangmun beach where I shot my videos last time. Oh wow, my feedback, yeah, even on a sunny, very non-windy day, the waves are there, so you have to consider, well, that your stomach is going to get upset. For some people, maybe it's more severe than for others. For me, it was relatively okay. I feel more shaky now on the ground, which is kind of funny. Yeah, and some other people feel more seasick on the sea, but once they reach the ground, they are okay. So, I definitely recommend you, if you want to have a very, very romantic experience, then do a wonderful yacht tour here in Gangneung. Yeah. So, and if you like this, you know what to do. Please click like, right, and please subscribe down there. Thank you, everyone. This was my trip in Gangneung. Beautiful Gangneung.